what we're working on is case problem 2 in tutorial 5 on page 279, step 15. And what the issue is here is table validation rules. And I'll read step 15. It says to find a table validation rule for the member table to verify that join date field values precede expiration date field values in time. Use an appropriate validation message, so you can choose your own message. Save your table changes, test the table validation rules, making sure any tested field values are the same as they were before your testing. So after we test, we're just going to change them back to what they were before. So in short, our join date field must be before our expiration date, which makes sense. You can't join something after it's expired. But typos do happen, so that's why we need to set this validation field for the table. So we'll go into the member table, where we are here. We'll go to design view, and there again this time we're going to set the table properties. Now in step 14 we set the field properties for a certain field, but this time we're going with table properties. And our validation rule is going to be fairly simple. Our join date field, which is here in our table, must not exceed our expiration date field. So we're just going to do a simple greater than, less than type validation rule. So we're going to say that our join date, just type in join date, and as you're typing, you have this neat feature here where you have a pop-up, and we don't have to finish typing, we can just double click. Alright, so our join date is going to be less than, which is the shift and the left arrow, our expiration date. And I'll start typing EXP, and it comes up expiration date. I can double click that. Okay, now our validation text for this could be anything you want it to be, but you could put in that, I'm going to just put in a simple one that says the date you typed is wrong. Just something that simple. And I'll save the table. And it says the data integrity rules have been changed. Do you want me to check and see if the new rules apply to the existing data? I'll just say yes. So we'll go back to datasheet view and test our validation rule, see if it works. Scroll over. Here in our first line, our join date is 1/16/2013, and as you can see, the expiration date is 1 year later, 1/16/2014. So let's just test this, and we'll put in 1/16/2015 and try to enter it, and there our dialog box pops up and says the date you typed is wrong. So OK. I'm going to change it back to 14 or 13 rather, and enter it. It goes in fine. And there you have it for a table validation rule.